kilometres, fucking from Serbia. I've got some big ass. Kev's been a warrior, super driver. From where we're staying, it's quite nice. We have some bifter. Mine's sort of a business out, but yeah, it's been quite insane, Kev. For you guys, because you didn't have scaffolding, you didn't have no little fucking legs like him. That's a question for you guys. I'd like you to leave your fucking comments down below and let me know in years or 10 years, man. And how things change. We walk down a path, so a bit of city. Well, it's time for that healthy part of the day. Oh no, I like partying. I like nice things. Trip, Serbia to Amsterdam. See you in Amsterdam. Well, just coming up to the Slovakian border. 5 minutes till we're at the centre of Amsterdam. 800 kilometres later. Whoop whoop! Yes! Yes! It's day 2 of the trip from Serbia. A bit of a video together about the red light district and see how we go.